Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can unforget the device on the Bluetooth with iPhone. So you just need to open the settings first, and you just need to make sure that you are turning on the Bluetooth, so it will pop up in the first box of the settings part. So you just need to click the Bluetooth one, make sure that the Bluetooth is on, and whenever it's already on, you just need to take a look on the my devices here, and then you just need to let's say here I would like to unforget the I want to forget one device. Go click this I button, and then you just need to forget this device, and whenever you click the forget this device, then the device will be gone and disappear from your Bluetooth options. And if you want to reconnect them or unforget the device, you just need to turn on the Bluetooth options of the device, and then make sure that those devices close with your iPhone, and they will pop up into the other devices options. And whenever the device names is pop up, you just need to go click it, and you will get connected back into the device. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.